nice smile. Is that a smile? There you go. Okay.
Nag-off.
Alrighty, how about more photos with Yenny? Is that be okay? More photos with her? Yeah? Okay, so one more time, left hand, come on her, okay, listen to me, okay? On her shoulder, face camera down there, and smile. Wow, pang Friendster profile. May Friendster ka ba, ma? Meron daw. Okay, so Yenny's time says bye to our special guest kasi mainit. Say bye, Yenny. Is there something else? Did you understand that? No, okay. Well, you know what? Before you go, Yenny would love to give it a good eye. A goodbye what? Is that a kiss, Yenny? Oh, I think it is. A goodbye kiss. And you know what? It should be on the lips. Yes, a lips to the Yenny. Don't worry, ma'am. We're doing this every day and every day, so nothing to worry about, okay? So, ma'am, first thing to do is to put your hands in the back. And your hair also. You fix your hair first. Put it inside. Put it inside your shirt. Okay. That's okay. So, ma'am, two hands in the back. Over your lip like this. Hold it for about 3 seconds so that the camera can get it. Alright? One. Then right there. Lean down towards Annie. Okay. Drop it away. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, and happiness! She's so happy about it. Okay, this time on the cheek. Okay, your hair on the other side. Over your left cheek. Okay, face the camera. Wow, nice shot. And for the last one, how about a walk shot? 2 hands up. Come on, 2 hands up. Open your mouth just like Eddie and walking. Guys, another round of applause for our special guest. Thanks so much, ma'am. You're now going to take your seat. Enjoy the rest of the show. Goodbye. Alright guys, after the show you can have a photo session with our sea lion friends at Marine Life Habitat. Wherein you can have a kiss, a flipper shake, or a walk shot with them. Just like that. So if you're interested, all you have to do is to approach our photographer right there wearing the blue shirt by the exit area. So guys, better grab this once in a lifetime opportunity, okay? See you there at Marine Life Habitat. Now, this time, would you like to see a dance number from our sea lion friends? Oh, come on, our sea lions can't hear you. Would you like to see the dance?
Yes!
Okay, hit it, maestro. All right, Jimmy, show them the moves. Let's go. All right, guys, put your hands up. That's enough. Right here. Now let's do it side by side. Guys, another round of applause for our sea lion friends for that great dance number. Great move together, fellas. Let's go straight ahead. We hope you all enjoyed spending your afternoon.